Have you ever imagined living in a house built over a waterfall? Today, we're going to explore the incredible falling water, a testament to the visionary genius of Lloyd Wright. Welcome to the Daily Dose of Information channel. Falling water's exterior is a unique blend of natural and man-made elements. The horizontal lines of the cantilevered concrete terraces echo the flat rocks worn smooth by the waterfall below. Large windows offer expansive views of the surrounding forest, blurring the lines between interior and exterior space. Local stone complements the natural setting, anchoring the house to the bedrock. Overall, the design creates a sense of harmony between the house and its environment. Inside, falling water is a symphony of natural light and flowing spaces. Open floor plans connect living areas with outdoor terraces, blurring the boundaries between indoors and out. The use of natural materials like wood and stone creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. The falling water kitchen is a masterpiece of organic design. It seamlessly blends with the surrounding landscape, featuring large windows and a central hearth, creating a warm and inviting space. The study area at Fallingwater was likely integrated into the open floor plan, perhaps a designated corner or a desk area within the building. The living space. Wright's emphasis on natural light and connection to the outdoors would have been reflected in the study area as well, likely with large windows framing views of the surrounding forest. The bedrooms at Fallingwater were designed to be simple and normal nature, with focus on natural light and connection to the outdoors. The Fallingwater swimming pool is designed to harmonize with the surrounding landscape. It's likely made of natural materials like stone and concrete, blending seamlessly with the hillside and offering stunning views of the waterfall and the surrounding forest. Thanks for watching. Falling water is incredible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.